Hello everyone. Welcome to today's lecture on comparative politics. And I'm excited to take you through this fascinating subject. Comparative politics is a subfield of political science that involves comparing political systems, institutions, processes, and policies across different countries. By studying these comparisons, we can better understand how different political systems work and why they succeed or fail. Definition and scope. So, what exactly is comparative politics? In simple terms, it's the study of political phenomena across different countries. This includes examining political systems, government structures, political behavior, public policy, and international relations. The scope of comparative politics is broad and covers everything from how democracies function to why authoritarian regimes persist. Methodologies in comparative politics. To study comparative politics, we use various methodologies. The comparative method involves comparing different political systems to draw generalizations and understand differences and similarities. Case studies are also crucial as they provide in-depth analysis of specific countries or events. Additionally, we use both quantitative methods, like statistical analysis, and qualitative methods, like interviews and content analysis, to gather and analyze data. Key concepts and theories. Now, let's dive into some key concepts and theories in comparative politics. First, political systems. We categorize political systems into types such as democracies, authoritarian regimes, and monarchies. Understanding these systems helps us compare how different countries are governed. Next, government structures. Countries can have presidential or parliamentary systems, and can be federal or unitary. These structures shape how power is distributed and exercised. Political culture and socialization also play a significant role in shaping political behavior and institutions. Lastly, political economy examines the relationship between politics and economics, including theories of development and welfare states. Major themes in comparative politics. There are several major themes in comparative politics. Democratization, for example, involves studying the processes and challenges of transitioning to democracy. We can look at examples like South Africa and Eastern Europe to understand these transitions. Political parties and electoral systems are also crucial themes. Different types of political parties and electoral systems impact governance and representation in significant ways. Public policy is another key area. By comparing how different countries formulate and implement policies, we can learn about best practices and challenges in areas like health, education, and welfare. Comparative analysis. Let's move on to some comparative analysis. We'll compare 3 sets of countries to highlight different political systems and structures. First, the United States and the United Kingdom. The US has a presidential system, while the UK has a parliamentary system. This comparison helps us understand the strengths and weaknesses of each system. Next, Germany and India. Both countries have federal systems, but they function differently. By comparing them, we can learn about the diversity of federalism. Finally, China and Russia. Both are authoritarian regimes, but they have different approaches to political control and governance. Challenges and opportunities. In the field of comparative politics, we also study contemporary challenges and opportunities. Globalization has a significant impact on national politics, bringing challenges like immigration and trade, as well as opportunities for international cooperation. Technology is another area of interest. It's changing how we communicate, participate in politics, and govern. Finally, we consider future trends. The rise of populism, changes in international power dynamics, and the impact of climate change on political systems are all important topics for future research and discussion. Conclusion. To summarize, comparative politics is a dynamic and essential field that helps us understand the complexities of political systems worldwide. By studying these systems, we gain insights into how different countries are governed and how they address common challenges. For those interested in learning more, I recommend checking out the books and articles listed in the description below.